Think about the last time you had a really bad customer experience. A company that made it so frustrating, impacted your time, impacted something meaningful to you. Frustrating. Well, now, hold on to that feeling and let me ask you, is that what your customers feel?
Okay, good. So I like your idea. I like your ideas, and it's fine. And you probably would in real life, but you do a good. I think you could probably, if you had it scripted, edit the words down to a few less, and then pause and wait and change the way you say. Do your customers feel like that? Or, but I like where you're going. I like where you're going. This is not stage, but on stage, and I only bring this up. Women don't show your toes on stage. Because the women will say, oh, look, I like that polish. Or, don't. Everything we do adds to or distracts from our message. But you didn't know you were coming on stage. Congratulations. All right, good.